है हमारा रिलेटिव का फिगर मतलब लीटर का जो 20 किलो कोई अच्छा उससे बता रही जी कोई। हेलो
Yes.
हेलो सर
Yeah. Tell
सर
me.
कैन यू शो मी ओपन आइटम मैनेजमेंट for the posting of open management, just the posting. I'm little confused about the dates.
Okay. Which open item are you talking about? Liabilities or prepaid? Which one you are talking?
Liabilities.
Okay. No problem. Okay. Good.
Sir, when we are done reversal, so where we are see that list when all where we are done like a system.
And go to your document list in FB03 and you can see. Okay.
There are all of you, sir.
Sir,
Yeah. In the document list, you have to select the reversal document type option and you can see.
Okay.
sir, could you please briefly explain reversal document just for 2 minutes?
We will see. Yes.
Sir, while posting document number and individual reversal, that is FP08, it is saying our document number is not in fiscal year 2021, sir.
Maybe it is not posted, yeah. Sometimes it happens. For me also it is happening, sometimes, yeah. So say due to some programming issue or something, the document is maybe you have not posted. Yeah. The document number is there and it is not posted means what? Some back-end programming problem is there, right? Don't worry. Give another one, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually entry done in closing period, but it can possible to reverse in closing period also. For example, I done entry in September month. In October month, I want to reverse that entry. It is possible to do in same month, September month.
September, is it closed or not closed?
It's closed.
Closed you cannot reverse, yeah. Same month, next month you can reverse. Okay. Same date you can. The post period is closed, so the posting date cannot be given in September.
Okay. Sir, can you? Okay. Can you please open FB08, sir? That document.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Sir, here reversal reason is there, right? 01. There are options also is there. Posting current period, closing period. You can't able to do. There are options reversal and closing period.
Yeah, this closure period also, it cannot be posted, right? It cannot be posted even if it is in the closed period, right? It cannot be posted unless it's open. It should allow, basically.
Okay, open only it allow.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
In line item management, when I'm trying to clear the document, sir, it is showing an error, sir. Not error. The difference is too large for clearing, showing like that.
Yeah, that message will come only when your debit and background noise. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the debit side and credit side, there is some mistake, some gap is there, right? Amount is not matching. Okay, some problem is there. Please check. So where you are getting that too large problem?
Okay. Sir.
Yes, sir.
In both, sir. In prepaid insurance and sales.
Okay. And both what you are getting?
The difference
I'm also getting the same error.
for clearing.
What is the message?
The difference is too large for clearing.
So the debit and credit, your entry you have posted in FB50 is wrong. Okay, so the entry is you are not posting the correct entry. Please check the entries, yeah. 40, 50 debit, credit, you have to check properly. Then post.
Sir, even I am getting the same error.
So I have done for more than 3 to 5 times. Sir.
Yeah, it is not about how many times you are doing. It is about how many times you have done correctly. Correct. So every time if you are doing the same mistake, obviously you will get the same problem. Na? So understand. See here. Okay, let me tell you.
But can you just once show how to select and pay back the open item after creating it?
Yeah, see here. Yeah.
So we will go with insurance.
का रोलर और जिला पुट्टी 3 kg पेपर
My entry, what I post in FB50 is very, very important. This entry. If you have not posted this, so this should be, you after posting you check it properly, right? This should be 40 with 50, correct? You check the entry. If you have not posted the entry correctly, if you are posting rent payable to rent, later on expecting it to clear it off like this, it will not clear, correct? Obviously there will be difference, yeah? So here also same, when you go to F-07, what you have to do, you have to give your bank account, so then this will be 50. You simulate and check, right? Rather than posting blindly, you simulate, check and post. Then your problem will be solved, right? So when you are posting this, you check and simulate the entry, what is the entry it is getting posted. For this also you simulate and check whether it is getting correctly posted. Then you post, your problem will be solved. So whatever entries you have posted before, you cannot do anything about them, no? Unless you want to reverse them. Yeah? Right? Because they were posted wrong. So the credit balance will be on the debit side, and then again you are debiting it, right? So already if it is on debit side, again you are debiting, obviously it will be overloaded, no? So open item will not get clear. Understand? So check
So
the
once
entry.
it was cleared, we don't get the credit document. Sir.
Once it is cleared, it is not in the open item set, all right? It will be in the cleared item, green button.
Yes, right.
Just show me one, sir, please.
Yeah. So what do you want me to show?
This rent account, sir.
Rent.
Payable, debit or
Yeah, we will see. Already we are into reversals concept now. Let us continue with reversal. Then in the reversal itself, we have open item discussion now. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
This
Sir, can you,
yes, tell me.
can you see the reverse document list, sir? How we can see the reverse document list?
Yeah, I showed you yesterday also. You go to your FB03 and you can go and see FB03 whatever is there, because reverse document list. Reverse document type what you are using, AB or whatever document you give, and then you execute, you can.
Company.
Okay. Yeah, company code and all those details if you give, it will show. Okay guys? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sir, could you please explain FP08 and F.08 of 2 minutes?
FP08 is a normal, individual reverse. Yeah.
Could you please explain, sir, for 2 minutes?
Yeah. So FB08 is individual reversal, F.80 is mass reversal. Okay. So only one document can be reversed. So already I think almost all my documents are reversed, till now. Most of the documents I have reversed. I have nothing left to reverse, I believe. Okay, but still what I will do is I will try to show you FB08. Some document I will take 1002 or something. Enter. Yeah. So now what is 1002?
Sir, company code.
Sir, capital N.
Yeah. Okay. FB03.
03 already reversed, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, let me.
The company code has
Company code.
Is this reversed already?
No.
Yes, sir. Reversed, sir.
Okay, let me try. Let me try. Okay. Now document. Enter. Yeah, it is already reversed. Correct. So 1002 I will change.
Sir, where is the document number 1002 created, sir?
FB03 1002. Enter. You see, this is the document, rent to bank. Yeah, 1002 document, rent to bank. Now, because of some problem, right? Some date problem, account problem, or amount problem, I want to reverse it, right? So I cannot correct now. What did I tell you? Once you post a document in SAP, you cannot correct it, correct? You cannot change or edit it, correct? So what you have to do is, you can only reverse it. So now to reverse it, what I am doing, I am going to FB08, and here I am giving the document number, reversal reason I am giving. And if I want to give a different date and different period than this month, then I can give. If I want it to be reversed on the same date and same period, then no need to give, and save. So save means what? You see document 10043 was posted. So this will be the reverse of our previous document, right? So if I go to FB03, I can see this will be my reverse. So how I can say it is reverse? This is 50 and this is 40, correct? Yeah. So rent is credited now, bank account is debited now, correct? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so that is the individual reversal. Mass reversal is /n f.80. So here you can give many documents. Now 100, probably I have given, I don't know what I have given. 11 to,
I think already reversed, sir.
okay. 14 I am giving to whatever. To 16. I can give like this, okay? Now click on the execute option. Now here you can see these 3 documents I can reverse at a time. Okay, if I click on the reverse document, it will automatically reverse all the way. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, AB represent reverse entries. There are also some entries are showing as AB documents, sir. We need
Yeah, I know that, na? Because in the samples when we are creating, I told you yesterday also, samples when we are creating, we created with AB document type, na?
we can change that, sir. When
Change that and create a essay also you can create.
Yes, okay.
Okay?
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, in FB80, we have some below options like test run, posting or process only. Can you please explain that option? Update.
Yeah, we are doing a test run only, na?
Okay.
Yeah, test run only. It is not immediately when you are executing, it is not reversing, na?
Okay.
Yeah, it is only test run, right? After we are getting this, if you are saying reverse, it will reverse. Otherwise, it will not reverse, no?
Okay. And below also you have do not process option.
Yeah, cross company code you do not know, no? Even if I tell also you don't understand. So
Okay.
time will come, in future we will discuss, okay? Yeah,
Okay.
first we should know what is a cross company code transaction. Then we can talk about reversal of it.
Okay.
Yes, tell me.
In mass reversal F.80, we execute, right? After executing also we get into another screen. So there also we need to click on reversal document.
Yes. Because when you are in F.80, it is by default in the test run.
Okay.
Correct? If you remove this, directly it will post. But it doesn't make sense, na? First you want to make sure you are doing correct, right? So always use the test run. Wherever
So
test run option is.
Okay. If we not click on test run, automatically they will get reversed.
Yes.
Okay.
Which is a dangerous thing to do. Okay? By the way. Always use the test run. Wherever it is available, use the test run.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Sir, in OBJ7 we create one code with 15 number range we create. Till now we don't use that one, sir.
We have used, already we have, if you go to OBS7, in OBS7, if I click on whatever, any document, and if I go to the number range and company code, what is it? T, change intervals, here you see 15 series, already one document is there.
Which document, sir, we use that?
We used for our payment document, wherever it is used, wherever it has asked, for that only we have created, right? If it is asking means what? It is going to use it, correct? Yeah.
When it's asking, then we.
Yeah. So we have when we are making the payment, it asked, na? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So today we are going to talk about our reversal and reset. Yeah. So for that we have to understand a concept called clearing document. Okay, now don't put the heading clearing document. A clearing document is a document which has cleared a open item. Okay, that is the definition of a clearing document. A clearing document is a document which has cleared an open item. Okay, done?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, a clearing document is a document which has cleared an open item. Okay, now going back to our open item concept. Now this one. Okay, let us take this now, right? You remember this now? Now don't tell me you forgot about this, okay? You know this now? You remember?
Yes, sir.
Payable.
Yes, sir.
Rent payable account, correct? Rent payable account, correct? Yeah. So now I am going to copy this and take it there. Yeah, let me take it here. Okay, now rent payable account, what we have done, for 2 months we posted, na? You remember? For
Yes,
which
sir.
month we posted?
August and September.
Correct. So right, so 2 open items we created, right? Yeah. So 2 August and September, 2 open items we created. And then when we are clearing, how many open items we cleared?
We cleared only one.
August we cleared, na? September
Yes,
is
sir.
still open, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Let us go and check. So go to /FPL 3M. Correct. Good. Okay, now which account I should check now?
Rent payable account.
Rent payable. What is the number?
1 lakh.
1
Very good. 1 lakh. Correct. Yeah. So 1001. Correct. Rent payable. So rent payable open items. How many open items I can see now?
1.
Which month it is?
September.
August, September.
Correct. So there were 2 open items. One was for August, one was for September. Obviously, we will pay the first month in August month we paid. September is still open, correct?
Yes, sir.
We did not pay September yet. Correct. Okay, now what about August? Where is August now?
Cleared.
Go to rent account.
Where it is where
Cleared
it is
item.
now? I want
Cleared item.
cleared item. What color I can see? Green color, right? So August is already cleared, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the August. Green button, August rent is already paid. Correct. So now August rent was recognized on 1st August, but paid after nearly more than 1 month I paid, that is 2 months I paid, that is on 1st October I paid. You understood?
Yes, sir.
So August rent I paid on 1st October, correct. August rent I paid on 1st October. You see, this is the document number I used, that 15 series, to make the payment, correct? Yeah? No. So now here on top you see one name here. What is this?
Clearing
Clearing document, right? So this document, whatever we are talking, this one, 1500 document, this which document it is? This is this document, right? This document. Correct na? This is this document. So this document is nothing but we call it as a clearing document. Correct, right? So this document is nothing but why? Why? Because it has cleared an open item. And there was one open item, we cleared it, correct, using this document. So that's why this document we call it as a what document? Clearing
document.
Why we are calling it as a clearing document? Because of it an open item is cleared. There were two open items, but because of this document, one open item, August open item was cleared. We are calling this document as a clearing document. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
No, this document is not a clearing document. Correct? Is it a clearing document? No. Correct? Yeah, because here open item is not cleared. Open item is created. So it is not a clearing document. What is a clearing document? This is a clearing document. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So clearing document is a document which has cleared an existing open item. Right? A clearing document is a document which has cleared an existing open item.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Clear? Yeah? Okay now. So now when I posted, now you should understand the logic here. When I posted this, now two things happened, right? When we post a clearing document, two things happen actually. We are not seeing it that way, but two things happen. What are the two things that will happen? One, the document will get posted, right? Entry will get posted. Correct or not? What entry? This entry. Rent payable to bank, right? Entry is getting posted.
And cleared.
Yes, correct. And second thing, what is happening?
Reopening the open item.
Open item right? Open item status. Open item status changed to cleared.
Cleared.
Correct na? Correct. The status of the open item changed from open to cleared.
Cleared.
Right? So from red to green it has come. Correct or not? So when I posted this document, what happened? One, the entry got posted, that I agree normally. Second thing, what happened? Open item status changed to cleared status. That is from red to green it has become. Correct? Do you agree, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir. So how many things have happened? If I have to divide it and see, two things happen.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Now understand. Now after doing all this, after posting a clearing document, listen carefully. Background noise is there. Okay. So after posting this document, now finally I say that this is wrong. Correct? Now I say that this 1500 document which I posted is a wrong entry and I want to reverse it. You understand? Right? So either the vendor was wrong or the account was wrong, or either the wrong open item I selected, some mistake I have done. Right? Instead of posting to some other account, I posted to this account. Instead of selecting some other open item, I selected some other open item. Some mistake I have done. Now I want to correct it, right? I want to reverse this document. Which document? Clearing document. Now when I want to reverse this, what should happen? Again two things that should happen. Na? Correct or not? Right? When I am doing this, when I am posting this, two things are happening. When I am reversing also, two things should happen. Na?
Yes.
What are the two things? You tell me.
Reversing the wrong entry.
Yeah, the entry should be reversed, correct? Yeah, entry should should be reversed. That is one part. Good, I agree. Second part,
Reverse in posted item also.
reset the status back to what? Back to right? Back from green to green. Green to red, correct. Now you understood?
Yes.
So there are basically, when I reverse a clearing document, what are the things I should do? Two things I should do. One, I should reverse. Do you agree? And second one, what I have to do? Correct? Do you agree now?
Yes.
So when I am reversing, so there are two documents. Yeah. Okay. So if it is a normal document, then only reversal is enough. Do you agree or not?
Yes.
If it is a clearing document,
Then reset and reversal both are.
yes, you got the point. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in case of clearing document, if I do only reversal and reset, I am not doing. Is it correct?
No.
No, sir.
Understand? So for a clearing document, you need to do both the things, reversal and reset. For other documents, reset is required or not required?
Normally it's enough, sir.
Enough. Only for the clearing document, resetting is required. Is it clear? So to understand this concept, first we need to understand what is an open item. Then you need to understand what is a clearing document.
Yes.
Then you can understand.
Yes.
Correct? Yeah. If you do not understand what is open item, or if you do not understand what is a clearing document, then obviously you cannot understand what is reversal and reset. Correct?
Sir, first we do that with FBRA, then we will again do with FB08.
We will see that. That is what we are going to do. Na? Yeah.
Sir, it is applicable only for open item entries, sir.
Wrong. It is applicable only for clearing document.
Okay, sir.
Correct? Because this is also an open item, na? Right?
Yes, sir.
Right. This is also an open item, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but this is a clearing document.
No, sir. Created document.
Created document, right? So when I want to reverse this, suppose if this is a mistake, I want to reverse this. Do I need to reverse? Do I need to reset?
No, sir.
No, right? It's a normal document, normal. So only reversal is enough. Right? If I'm talking about the first entry, only reversal is enough. But if I am talking about the second entry, I need reversal and reset. Why? Because it's a clearing document. Right? Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now, how many of you did not understand? Nobody? Very good.
Clearing documents, sir. I understood open item management, but only clearing document.
Yeah. So here what it is, we have open item concept is there now. We will be posting the open items, right? And then we were making the payment.
Yes, sir.
We will get a clearing document, correct? This is
Yes,
the
sir.
clearing. Now after posting a clearing document, you are saying that this is a wrong entry. Yeah?
Okay.
So
Okay.
when we are posting the clearing document, two things are happening, right? One, entry is getting posted. Two, open item status changing from open to cleared, right? That is ready to green.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct? So when we are reversing also, we need to do two things again. Yes. Okay, so that's why when we want to reverse a clearing document, we need to do reversal and reset.
Okay, sir.
That is the concept. So our topic name itself is, what is the third topic? What is the third?
Reversal and reset.
Reversal and
That's
reset.
how the name has come.
Okay, sir.
Right? Now the name of it is reversal and reset, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? That is how the name has.
Okay, sir.
Individual reversal, mass reversal. What is the third one we are talking?
Reversal and reset.
Reversal and reset.
That is how the name has come. The name itself is reversal and reset. Okay, this is used only in case of reversal of
Clearing document.
Clearing document.
Clearing documents.
okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
So now you see, now I have this document is there. Now which document? /NFB03. My 15 document, right? You know what is that is my clearing document, right? So this document, right? So what is this document? Rent to payable to bank. 40 is rent payable, correct?
Yes, sir.
50 is bank. Okay, rent payable to bank, right? This is the clearing document.
Yes,
I will show you where what is the number. August month rent cleared with this document, right? That is why we are calling it as a clearing document. You see this one. Understood, everybody?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clearing document for clearing the August month rent was 15 document, right? 15 all zeros. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, so now I am saying this is a wrong entry and I want to reverse it. Yeah? I want to reverse it. Okay, let us go now. So suppose if I am using, see to reverse, see the problem here is, in FB08 normal reversal, you can only reverse. You can only reverse, right? Resetting not possible. Understand?
Yes.
Right? So that is the problem. Yeah. So if I am going to FB08, in FB08, if I am going and I am giving my 15 document now. Correct? So here only reversal is possible. Resetting not possible. So you see what it will say now. Error. It says it is a clearing document. Reversal not possible. Correct? It is saying it is a clearing document. Reversal not possible. It is saying I can only reverse. I cannot do reset. So not possible. Okay? So that's why we need another T code. Correct? What is the T code? FBRA. Correct. So right? In the beginning we had this FBRA T code. We have FBRA. Okay? So in FBRA you can do both reversal and reset. That is the concept. Right? So when it comes to clearing document, I have to go to FBRA. Is it clear? Now you see clearly it is saying reset cleared items. Okay? Clear? Okay? Now click on the save option. Click on the save option. So now it is saying, do you want to do only resetting or you want to do resetting and reverse?
Resetting and reverse.
Reverse. Both, na? Correct? Select. Background noise, please go on mute.
What is only reset? Sir, can you repeat once again, sir?
Yeah. See here. This is the T code, na? FBRA to reset which items?
Cleared item.
This is a cleared item or not?
Yes, sir. Cleared item.
Now I am clicking on the save option, right? I want to reverse this. Now it is asking only reset. Only reset means what? Reset means what?
Without reversing, only we have to reset it.
Yeah.
Means editing.
No. Here I have discussed just now. Just now we discussed here. Reset means what? Reset we discussed here. There are a couple of minutes back. Correct? We discussed here. Reset the status. Correct? Yeah? Okay. So what it is now? You tell me. Okay. Yeah. So only reset means what? Only
Resetting.
resetting. But is that resetting enough?
No.
Right?
No, one day.
So again you
So I
have
want to
to
reverse and reset.
FB08 and again reverse. So first you reset here, then you go to FB08, then you reverse. Two times you have to. Is that clear?
Yes. No.
So first reset in FBRA, then go to FB08, then reverse there. That is one option. No, I don't want to do that. I want to do it everything here. Then
Setting and reverse.
setting and reverse. Correct?
Yes.
Right. Okay. So I am giving the reversal reason, press enter. Okay. So in company code number 17 it is asking. 17. Like I have given 15, no?
Yes.
Same way I will give 17 also, right? Whatever it is asking, we will give, right? No problem. Okay, now go to OPS 7, correct? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, now tell me. Any document, don't bother. Just do position, essay or whatever, anything. Click on this document and you go there, number range information. Company code, which company code? Change interval. Insert interval, right? What number I should give now?
1700.
Right? 200, 2021. 17.
17,000.
000 to
17,99999.
enter. Is that clear?
Yes.
Save.
Yes.
Okay. So now here press enter. So it was asking for 17, I gave 17.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Okay, let's go now. Now again I am going. I am going to FB RA. Okay. Again I am clicking. Yes.
OPS 7, what is that box interval transport?
Oh, that message, Yeah, so the message is, the problem with the intervals is, you cannot transport it. Transport means you cannot take from one environment to another environment. From one server, development to quality, quality to production, you cannot take. Is that clear? Yeah. So every environment you have to create separate. Again you have to create. Okay? Right. So now, okay, shall we save now? Yeah, save. So when I save, what will happen?
Resetting and
Resetting and sorry?
Steering document number is not changed. It is 15,000.
Not changed, huh? No, what is your doubt?
Clearing document number 70 not changed. 15 or
Yeah, this is the number range, right? So 17 we have given for posting, yeah, not to reverse. Yeah, when you are reversing, it will use the 17 series. Okay? Yeah. So this is the document. We are not reversing 17 series document, right? We are reversing this one. Now click on the save option. Yeah. Reverse, resetting on reverse. Yeah. Yeah.
Resetting and reverse.
Press enter. Press enter. Now you see how many things should happen here. Two things. What are they?
Reversing and resetting.
Yeah, you see now. So one, cleared items being yes, reset has happened. Perfect, correct? Next, reverse document posted. Understood? So two things have happened or not? Two things have happened, correct? So now let me check the reset concept now. Now if I go to FBL3N, how many open items I should see? So now August also we have reversed, right?
Yes.
So August also should come back to open or not?
Yes, it will come back to open.
Correct? Let us check.
Yeah.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Yeah, previously August already we have cleared and it was there in the cleared items. Now it has come back to open. Understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
This is resetting. Okay, then what about reversal document? Reversal document, yes, it is also posted. 17 document, right? So, bank to rent pay.
Yes.
Is it clear, everybody?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah? Okay. So, what is the use of the... Yeah?
I have little confusion, sir. Can you repeat again?
Yeah, so the thing is the reversal FDRA is used to use in case of reversal of what item? Clearing document. Is that clear? Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So normal documents you can reverse in what is code?
FB08. FB08.
Right? But if it is a clearing document,
FBRA.
Why it is like that?
Because we need both reversal and resetting.
Yeah. Yeah. Here we need resetting also. For normal documents, resetting not required, so it is okay with FB08. But for clearing document, resetting is required, so we have to go to FDR. Is that clear? Yeah? Yeah.
So it becomes an open item management document.
Becomes a...
So it becomes an open item again.
Yes, correct. So right, previously it was open item, but because of a wrong posting, it went into clear.
Clear,
Now
then
I
open item.
reversed it, so it has come back to open. Correct. That is how you have to understand. Clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Again, we need to discuss the document with the correct details.
Yeah, so whatever right document you want to select, write open item. This is the wrong open item you are saying, that's why you cleared it. You have reversed.
Yes.
Then right open item you have to select and pay, na?
Yes.
That will take the procedure automatically. Correct?
Sir, okay, sir. Okay, actually, I thought why it is showing in the two screens like SBL3 and then FB03. Yeah, one is display and another one is the document number. Okay, done. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
This is even if we did a mistake after clearing the document, then we will use FDRA and we will rectify it, no, sir?
Yes. Okay. Yeah. So after clearing the document, if you want to reverse it, then normal FB08 will not work. We need FDRA.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Yes.
Because we need to reset it. That is the problem with the clearing document. Okay?
Got it, sir.
So this is about the reversal. Yeah? So the questions would be, can I
Sir,
reverse?
1 minute. So automatically the system only take up two transactions, right? Like you're telling open item management first thing is. Second thing is the clear document. We have cleared it. So for the cleared document, it makes the open item, right?
Yeah, cleared document will be reset back to open.
Yeah.
Yeah. So previously it was open. When I posted the clearing document, its status changed to clear. But when I am reversing the clearing document, it has to go back to open.
Yeah. So it will take up two transactions. One is the reverse of the cleared document. Then the reset of the main document. The main document it will reflect.
There is only one document here. It is not posting two transactions. It is doing two things. Yeah. For the same clearing document, two things have happened. When I posted it, two things happened. One, the document got posted. The one entry got posted. Two, status changed from open to clear. Two things happened. Yeah. Two events happened.
Yeah.
Two transactions. Same way here also when I am reversing also, two things happen, right? What are the two things? One resetting back to open, another one posting the reversal. reversing the entry. Yeah? Is it clear now at least?
Yes,
Yes. Oh. Right. Okay, so that was about the reversal concept, right? So the question would be, can I reverse a reversed document?
No.
No. Right?
No, sir.
Yeah. It is not. Already reversed document I cannot reverse.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Yeah. Can I reverse a reversal document, which means a document that is the reversal of something else? Can I reverse that document?
No, sir.
No.
So that is also not possible. Correct, no? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then clearing document, just now we discussed. Just now we discussed. Correct.
Sir, one small doubt, sir. I'm sorry. Just 1 minute, sir.
Yeah,
Like open item management, open item entry is rent only will take, rent to rent payable. Okay?
Yeah.
We cleared it by writing it rent payable to bank.
Correct.
Okay? So when we are telling, like you said me that we are doing two things, no? I am thinking that we have done a 2 transactions, so I just want to tell you. So for rent payable to bank reversal we have done, no, sir. It's bank to rent payable. Then again we have written the reset, that is rent to rent payable has come, no, sir.
No. It has got, see, we are not reversing this. No. Don't overthink. I am not at all talking about this entry, right? I am not talking about this entry at all. I am only talking about
Clearing document, sir.
only this entry.
Okay, sir. Okay. Then what about the open item created? Will it be open item again or?
Just now I showed you, it has become open item. No? Just now we have seen that in FBL 3N. My August is open item, right? My August is open, right? You see, August previously it was in cleared, na?
Okay.
Now it has gone red, na?
Sir, please show me
Both are open, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, we
Now
need
I got
to
it, sir. Now I understood, sir. Thank you.
Very good. Yes. Yes.
Sir, we need to post again, sir.
No need.
Open item.
No
This is
need to.
that's what
It
my
will automatically coming back to open.
Sir, we need to clear that. No, sir.
Clearing later, yeah. When the right time comes, when it is the right time to clear that right open item, we will clear. That is a different story.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Right. Hopefully everybody is satisfied now, comfortable. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, while we perform this T score, then any changes will occur for this document in reset of performance.
Any changes?
I mean, we are doing this FBRA, we are performing the FBRA, no? So, it is going back to, like open item, no? So, there will be any change, in document type?
No change in the document type. Yeah, it will go back. Okay, let us see. Okay, FBL 3N. Execute. Yeah, you see document type, both of them are SA only. In fact, this we have never cleared. This we have cleared and then reversed. Both are showing SA only, no? Got it?
Yes. I thought like once we do FB08, no.
That is the reversal, no? That is a different thing. But here it is putting back to open, no? It is
The
bringing back.
document number also will be same.
Yeah, original document number, correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
But in FB08, the document number will be changed.
Yeah, that is you are reversing, na? That is closing completely. That is the reversal.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
But can we clear this document again?
Yes, obviously, na? That is next time when the right time comes, you will clear, na? Correct? Yeah.
Sir, please show me the cleared item, sir.
cleared items, it will be like nullified.
Yes, sir.
It will be 4 entries. Yeah, you cannot understand that. That is this internal system concept, right? This will be the clearing document.
Yes, sir.
Adjusted. These 2 entries adjusted. Opposite.
There is no interest, no, sir.
No interest.
No interest means cleared transaction, sir.
Yeah. So this was the wrong entry. Reversed with this entry. That is how you have to understand.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah? Okay.
Thank you.
So what is case, sir?
Don't worry about it right now. Yeah. For now, you understand the open item concept, clearing document. The KZ document will come in accounts payable. It will come. Yeah?
Yes, again we use the same T code to clear the open items. S-07.
Exactly. Same. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
But can it clear that document and show us like how
Again, huh?
that the one which you have just reversed it?
Yeah. You want me to clear it again?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Amount is how much? 20,000. Yeah. What is our account number? Is this process open items? Now, which one I have to select? Same concept. Whatever I have to August, right? Select like this. Save it. Clear? 15001 is posted. Now tell me, this is a clearing document or a normal document? Clear. So what happened to my FBL 3N?
Only one item.
One item.
Why not?
Understood? Yeah. Shall we reverse again? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Where I can reverse that?
FBRA.
But now here this is a clearing document, no?
Number? Yes, sir.
You can now save.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Save, reset and reverse.
Yes, sure.
Yes.
Then enter.
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 Cleared item being reset.
Enter.
Reverse document posted. What happened to my FBL 3N now?
Open item.
Open item. Two open items.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That. Okay.
Yes.
So next topic what we have is, I think we have yes.
Why not showing that is
Why?
that is FBL 3N here. That is what? That is showing red color, sir.
Huh?
It is open item.
No. It did not come slightly. In clearing document.
Reverse it up.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, so I have reversed it again. Na? That's why it has come back to reading. I reversed it. I cleared it. Then first I reversed it. Then it has come back to open. Again I cleared it. Again I reversed it. Right? 2 times I have.
Sir, in the same way, prepaid expense also, sir. That is also open item.
Yes, exactly correct. Yeah, good point. Now, what is the prepaid expenses account?
2 lakh.
2 lakh on that, na? My chart of account is TECA, right? Now, TECA, my prepaid expenses is there, na? Prepaid insurance, right? Now, open item, any open item is there or not there?
No.
Not there. Only one open item was there, I cleared it, correct?
Yes.
Now, where it is? It is in the prepaid item. Now, you tell me this 10031 is a normal document or a clearing document? Clearing document, right? So now to reverse it, can I go to FB08?
No.
Let me try, yeah? If I am giving like this and I am trying to save, you see it will tell me clearly. This is not possible, I cannot do it. Okay, so where should I go now? FBRA I will. In FBRA I will give my document number 100. What is that number?
31.
31, right?
31.
Yeah, now I will click on the save option.
Save.
So it is saying reset and reverse? Yes.
If it only reset.
Only reset means only reset. Again go back to FB08 and do it separate. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, reversal you have to do separate. Now you see, clearing document reset, then document posted. Correct. So now if I go to FBL 3N, what I can see now?
Open items.
Open it.
How many open items?
2.
One opening.
One open. Is it clear? Yeah. That's the open item concept. Primarily open item is very, very important. That's why I'm giving so much time on the open item. Yeah. Because tomorrow all the customers, all the vendor purchases, supplier purchases, you are buying anything that you are buying, services, products, anything, all of them are open items. Whenever you purchase, open item is getting created. Whenever you pay, open item is cleared. But after paying, you want to reverse it. What you have to do? FBR. Now customer, you are purchasing from you, right? Whenever he is purchasing, whenever you are doing the sales to customer, open item. And customer when he is paying, it is clearing it, right? But after receiving the money, because of some reason you want to reverse it, where you have to do? FBR. Well, that's why this is important. Okay?
So what is the reason to reverse?
Okay, sir.
Reasons could be 100 reasons. We are not talking about reasons here. We are talking about the process.
Sir, the T codes will remain same for open and close for vendors and customers also?
T codes, yeah. Some T codes will remain same. Yes. This FBRA will remain same. Yes? Okay? Yeah. Okay guys, so we will stop here. Tomorrow I will start the interest calculation component. Yeah? We will see that tomorrow. Okay guys? We will meet tomorrow.